Welcome back to Homemaking with Mema. If you're new here, my name is Wendy. Today's video is going to be geared around some much needed cleaning that needs to get done before Christmas Day. And I'm going to bring you along with me. So I'm going to be splitting this up amongst a few days because I just physically can't get it all done in one day anymore. So my stove needs to be cleaned, a good thorough cleaning. You can't really see from there, but when I do projects and stuff, the stove tends to get forgotten to be a thorough cleaning. So that is going to get done today. And what else? Scrub the sink. And we'll see what else I can squeeze in there as well. So I'm going to clean the microwave. And the easiest way to do that is take the plate off if you have one. Put in cold water. So I'm going to put 2 cups of cold water. You can do a cup. What this is going to do is it's going to steam anything that's kind of baked down. Make it a little bit easier for you to clean your microwave. I'm going to hit the 5 minutes, and with the 2 cups, then I'm going to hit the 2-minute mark as well when the 5-minute is done. So that is how I'm going to be deep cleaning my microwave because it really needs it. Okay, so the 5 minutes is up. Like I said, I've got 2 cups of water in there, so I'm going to do an extra 2 minutes because I want it to really do its job. Usually you put 1 cup of water in there and you do a 5-minute timing. But I wanted to do the 2 cups today and then do the extra minutes because it needs it. Now I'm going to let that water sit in there and just steam away for 5 minutes. I'm going to give my cabinets and drawers, the outsides, a really quick wash with some Murphy's oil soap just to kind of clean whatever residue is on them. I know I did a thorough cleaning this fall, but it'll just freshen them up a little bit, freshen the kitchen up a little bit. So I've got that done. Cupboards are wiped down, sink is scrubbed, drying racks and that are scrubbed. Stove is cleaned up real nice. Just gonna put the knobs back on a little later. I went over the floor with a Swiffer because I don't want to do any really thorough scrubbing until probably 2 days before Christmas. So that is the plan. So the next thing I'm gonna do is the bathroom, and that's gonna be a different day. So I pushed myself to clean the whole bathroom today instead of just half of it. Was only gonna do half, but I got the whole thing done. Except for scrubbing the floors. All the floors I'm gonna leave until like 2 days before Christmas. Then I'll give them a good scrub. I'm just doing that quick Swiffer over them. So all right, this cleaning is done. I'm gonna give the living room a quick vacuum. However, when I scrub the floors, all the floor surfaces, 2 days prior to Christmas, I'm going to give a really good vacuuming. In fact, we might even vacuum the evening of Christmas, like Christmas Eve, just so that the house is completely freshened up, right? All right, folks, that's going to be it for the cleaning before Christmas Day. So I mentioned a couple days beforehand, I'm going to do some scrubbing as far as the floors, vacuum again, probably vacuum Christmas Eve night, so that everything's nice and fresh for Christmas Day. And so yeah, I'm going to wrap it up. If you folks like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.